All right, good afternoon. I almost said good morning. It's 2 in the afternoon. We are on our way to go get our dog.
Roman Henry Steele.
And we're running a little late because of traffic and because Brad wasn't ready when I was.
Oh, that's garbage. That's bogus.
He was fully in his underwear.
I was watching Baylor and North Carolina in the NCAA basketball tournament, went to overtime, and I could not watch it.
Yeah, he always constantly talks to me about being late because I'm always late and I'm
for bad reasons.
We're 2 minutes behind schedule.
2.
Like our appointment is at 4 o'clock to get our dog, to pick out our dog, and we are going to be there 2 minutes behind.
It's totally fine.
What if they don't let us get the dog?
Can you imagine, folks? Can you imagine them being like, we're gonna not be able to give you this dog?
I'm distraught if they don't let me have this dog.
There he is.
That's that boy. Roman Henry.
Steve.
Oh, look at that big yawn. He's a sweet boy. I can already tell he's gonna have a good personality. Hey, you're so handsome, buddy. Yeah. We're parents now.
Yeah.
How's that for content?
Great content, babe.
Well, we've been home since what time? We got home.
About 6 o'clock.
We got home at like 6 o'clock. It is currently. I can't get my
11.
covers. It's 11 o'clock. 10:52. So far, little man has taken 5 naps. He's currently taking a nap as we speak.
That heart's a beating fast.
I'm in sport mode.
You smell like a milk. Inside of a milk store. If anybody knows what that smells
Why
like.
do you know that?
You know when you go to Belk, you're like, it smells like a Belk. Find something you can buy.
I'll find you feet.
Yeah, I know you will. Nope, don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.